Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Sapphire International, the Zenic coin. This company seems to have a lot of potential, and the benefit is, if you do invest, you'll be getting paid until the last coin is minted. By making this video, the coin's price went up to 20 cents. Since I've been here, the coin's been above 20 cents and even below 20 cents. The only negative part about getting minted coins is the price is gonna fluctuate, which I don't mind because over the long run, I'll still make profits, as they reckon there's years of minting to come. But only time will tell. And then they've released pictures of their offices in Dubai, Damic Park Towers, the inside of the offices, and they even ask people to come and visit them. If you're in Dubai, please go visit this office and send us pictures. We've gotten pictures from their Telegram. We haven't seen it personally. So I do urge anyone who's in Dubai who knows the towers, go and visit Zenic and send us the pictures and confirmation. Here's the iPads where you're gonna have a hard wallet to keep your coins on. Seeing the offices neat and nicely. Another prospect of a company who's been around since 2018, who's coming around and giving people an opportunity. If we go to the back office, when you sign up, people's been asking how to deposit. First thing, you go to wallets, you click on deposit, and it will give you different options of depositing, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the way to Litecoin. After your funds has been deposited, it will come and lie in your balance here. And then to shop. When you go to shop, you get the different options which you can buy. Most people goes to the Sapphire minting shares, partial hardware processor, partial masternode, which is serviced and maintained as part of what is known as an in-house minting. Minted coins are freely available to the customer. When you click an amount, you get options of what kind of portion of a minter you want. 132 is €100 and half is €800. After that, you just click and buy. You have read everything and it will come up with the page. As you can see, I don't have enough balance. It's just for this video purposes I wanted to show how easy it is to buy. The next video will probably be an indication of how to withdraw my Zenic coins. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to make sure you do get the video. Have a great one.